Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. You know, we get so many questions here at the city. One resident wanted to know why some of our roads are replaced in full while others are only rehabbed. Our pavement management program focuses on providing the proper maintenance or replacement based on the condition of the road. The city contracts a third-party company to survey the condition of the pavement. They use industry-wide standards to come up with a score on the condition of each road segment. The current condition of many Plano roadways does not necessitate a complete replacement. Take Coit Road, for example. The price tag for repairing concrete and installing an asphalt overlay between Parker Road and State Highway 121, about $10 million. Replacing the same section of Coit would have cost between $40 and $50 million. By making only necessary repairs, the city saves your tax dollars. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.